Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about factoring the GCF, or the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor, when two numbers are multiplied, each number is called a factor of the product. The greatest common factor is the greatest number or monomial that is a factor of all of the original terms. To find the greatest common factor, you have to find the largest number that goes into all of the coefficients and find each variable that all of the terms have in common. So, factoring the GCF is basically the opposite of using the distributive property. When you have something as 4 times 3a plus 4, that is called factored form. And when you have the 12a plus 16, that is called expanded or simplified form. So to get from this step to this step, we're looking at both of these and seeing they both have a 4 in common. They don't both have an a, but they both have a 4 in common. And then what I'm doing is I'm dividing each of these terms by 4. So 12a divided by 4 is 3a. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 3a plus 4. So factoring using the greatest common factor is basically what I just showed you. You find the greatest common factor of all of the terms. The greatest common factor goes on the outside of the parentheses. And then we divide each original term by the greatest common factor to get each term inside the parentheses. So taking a look at these, we have 7x minus 49. I realize that the greatest common factor of 7x and 49 is 7. So I'm going to put 7 outside of the parentheses and divide each term by 7. So 7x divided by 7 is x, minus, and 49 divided by 7 is 7. So 7 parentheses x minus 7. Similarly, we're doing this one, 3a minus 9. 3 is the greatest common factor. 3a divided by 3 is just a, and negative 9 or minus, and then 9 divided by 3 is 3. Here we have 6a minus 16. They don't both divide by 6, but they both do divide by 2. So greatest common factor is 2, so 2, and then 6a divided by 2 is 3a, minus 16 divided by 2 is 8. Taking a look at this, we have 10y plus 25. The greatest common factor of 10y and 25 is 5, and 10y divided by 5 is 2y, plus 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now we have 100 CD minus 25 BD. I notice that they both can divide by 25, but they also both have a D as a factor. So 25D. So 100 CD divided by 25D. Well, I know 25 goes into 100 4 times, and CD divided by D is just C, because the D's will cancel each other out. Now we have 25 BD divided by 25D, so 25 divided by 25 is 1, and BD divided by D is B, so 4C minus B. And you can always check by redistributing. 25D times 4C would give you 100 CD, and 25D times a negative B would give you minus 25 BD, just as our check. Now taking a look at number 6, 15x squared plus 10x. I notice they both divide by a 5, but they also both have an x, so they divide by a 5x each. And now 15x squared divided by 5x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. X squared divided by x is x. And now 10x divided by 5x, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and x divided by x is 1, so they go away. All right, let me know if you have any questions on any of these. Have a wonderful rest of your day.